Hey everybody, my name is Jessica Tanner and I am an independent sales consultant for Norwex, and I am going to remove my makeup using the Norwex face cloth, okay? It's got a really nice suede material, okay? It's really soft and silky, and it makes my face feel really smooth when I get done. So you can see how much makeup I have. I've got a lot of makeup on my eyes, especially. I use a metallic eyeshadow, and it's kind of hard to get off. And I also use Unique's mascara, which I did my face at 7:30 this morning. So all my face makeup is pretty much gone, but I only use like a mineral powder. I don't use foundation. But I wanted to let you know that this is day 11 of me using just this, okay? They come in a 3-pack, and I use one side per night. So after 6 days, then I wash them with some of my other Norwex cloths. I had this cystic acne come up like 3 weeks ago, and it's still there, but it's a lot smaller and it hasn't gotten any worse. And there was one over here. Oh, where is it? That's not even there anymore. It's gone. So no new reoccurring acne at all. My normal face, let's see if I have some. My normal face regimen is doTERRA's Virage system, and like my moisturizer, I only do moisturizer in the morning after using the body cloth on my face when I get in the shower, because there's no need for the makeup cloth. I just wash my face first, and then I wash the rest of my body and I rinse it out and hang it to dry. But this is the moisturizing cream that I use at night, just to kind of show you, you know, what I use in the mornings after I use the body cloth, because it does exfoliate a little bit more, and so my face feels a little bit more drier. But I'm going to show you how to remove my makeup. So I'm going to get the water nice and warm, and I used this side last night, so I'm going to use this side tonight. So it takes a minute to get this wet because it's a little thick. It's more of a thicker cloth. It's, like I said, it's kind of more, got like a suede material, and you can see when it wrinkles up, it kind of looks like suede. So I'm gonna start with my forehead. I always work my way around my face first and then do my eye makeup later. So I give my face a good scrubbing. And again, use one side each night. And it does have the backlock technology in it. And because I'm only using the cloth, I do like to go over my face a little extra, just to make sure everything is gone. I've touched my face a lot tonight, or today. I've pre-recorded a bunch of other videos and been on the computer all day, so you know my hands have been here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the other side, not the other side, but the other side on the same side, to remove my makeup. So I'm just gonna let it sit here for just a second. And then I like to very gently remove my makeup because I'm getting older. I'm 40. I just turned 40 this year. It's really hard doing this on the phone, but I'm gonna do my best. So I don't wanna tug too much on my eyes, but you can see that it's coming right off. And I just take the cloth and just kind of move it over to a cleaner area. And I use my finger for this, and this makeup is really hard to get off. It's a really thick mineral type powder. And so I would say that the type of makeup that I use, because it's like that all day long lasting stuff, it does take me a little bit longer to remove my makeup at times. And it depends on what makeup I have on. Okay, so that's pretty much gone. And you can see all of it is like right there. So let's stay with the same side of the cloth, just a different area of it. I mean, I could sit here and scrub, but I'm not going to do that. I don't need any more wrinkles than I already have. And I like to get up, sorry, I'm gonna get up here in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing to get the eyeliner off. This eyeliner doesn't go anywhere. It's so hard to get off. I will say that before using these makeup cloths, I was really bad about not using makeup remover cloths. I would just wash my face with the cleanser and I would rub my eyes with it. And I know that's probably not good for my eyes. So taking this little extra time, again, depending on what kind of makeup you use, there's so much less irritation with my eyes. So there you have it. Let me look in the mirror. Yep. I feel like it's pretty good. There might be one little spot right here. I just poked myself in the eye. But there you have it. Simple. I don't mind it taking a little while just because I'm not putting any chemicals on my face. And with the way that Norwex's microfiber works, it removes all the bacteria from my face. So, you know, I think, you know, let me try to explain this. So with the old way that I was washing my face, I would, you know, turn the water on, put the stuff on my hand, and then rub it all over my face and my eyes, and I'd rinse my face, and then I'd pick up this. Well, I mean, I wouldn't get rid of this except for like a week. So I was probably putting bacteria right back on my face, right? Because regular towels breed bacteria over time, and I really didn't realize how much bacteria that they were breeding until I did a Petri dish test, and I will show you guys that soon, okay? My Petri dishes are still sitting. It takes like a week for them to show the bacteria. So when those are ready, I will share that video, okay? So again, acne-free, no new acne in the last 11 days. I would never be able to do this with just a face rag or even another cleanser. It took me years to find a cleanser that kept me somewhat acne-free, but like during that time of the month and stuff, I would always have cystic acne and pop-ups on my nose and on my forehead and on my cheeks and like under here, my chin area. So we'll see what happens over the next 30 days. I'm on day 11. Stay tuned.